guys, Trader Ben Dave here. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, like, share, and subscribe. All right, so we are going to talk about a very simple concept. It seems simple, but I have had a few students who have reached out to me, so I realized this is an issue, even though it's a very simple concept. What we are going to look at today is to talk about how to calculate your risk and how much you can risk on your account. All right, we are going to talk about how to use the position size calculator to calculate your risk on a trade. Let's get right into it. Let's have a look at this trade that I'm looking at here. This is a GBP AUD on the 30 minutes time frame. All right, I just took a sell here, but let's pretend as if I'm not in the trade and see what we could get out of this. Let's say I'm now looking to enter this trade, right? My stop loss on this trade is 36 pips. My take profit is 118 pips. Let's take note of this this details. It will be useful to what we are looking at. Stop loss 36 pips and take profit is 118. How can we calculate our position size if we want to use position management? You as a trader need to come up with how much you are willing to risk on your account. This trade was taken on, I'm using this as an example, right? This trade was taken on one of my funded accounts. It's currently a 100K account. I'm currently in drawdown. So the balance on the account is 99,125. So account balance is 99,125. So this is a 100K true Forex fund, a funded account. And my risk on this account is to risk 0.5% per trade, right? You need to have all this information in mind, and this is going to be part of your trade plan and what you look out for. Now, having this information in mind, I go to position size calculator. So the position size calculator from myfxbook. Let's give it a second. All right, this pair, the pair we are trading in. So here we enter the pair we are trading, the account currency, account size, and risk ratio. The pair we are trading is GBP AUD. The account is in USD. The balance is 99,125. And our risk percent is 0.5%. Stop loss is 36 pips. Trade size, you can leave it blank or anything that doesn't, like, you get a new trade size that you are going to use for your trade. So you do is you click on calculate, you can leave it blank. All right, so this is what you're going to get. This is telling us that the lot size to use on this trade, if we are risking 0.5% of our account, is 2.19 lot size. And when the trade hit our stop loss, we are going to lose what? $495 on this trade. This is very important, especially those that are trading funded accounts and you don't want to go too crazy on your account. You want to stick to a very strict rules and make sure you are following the rules. This is very important. It means that if you are risking 0.5% on your account on this trade and the current balance on the trade, you should be using what? 2.19. And the 2.19 lot size, if this is a 1:3 risk to reward ratio, so this can multiply the stop loss by the ratio to show you how much you will be making in the trade. This trade is 3.26. To know how much your take profit is going to be on this trade. So to know how much you can make on this trade, is multiply this 495.63 by 3 points the risk to reward on the trade, which is 3.26. So this is 1,600. If we use a lot size of the recommended lot size on this trade of 2.19 lot size, we are going to lose 490, about 400, and I'm approximating it about 490, and our take profit is what? 1,600. Or what you can do is just, if you find a lot size, you multiply it by the number of pips. You know that if you're using a lot size of 2.1, then every pip is going to be $21. So 21 times 36 pips, and then this would also be 21 times 160. This is how you go about using position size calculator, and this is the position size calculator for my FX book to help you know how much how much lot size you should be using based on your risks that you are taking on your account. If you have a funded account, this might be something you need to be doing so that you risk very specific accounts. If you want to take it slow, especially when you are taking a challenge account, what I recommend you do is to risk 0.25% on your trade. This is a sidetrack from what I talked about. This is just an additional information for those who happen to chance on this video and they are trading funded accounts, right? 0.25. In a day, you have 5%. Most prop firms have 5% to risk. If you are trading 0.25% per trade, it means for you to violate the rules of your account, you need to lose 20 consecutive trades in a day, which most of the time is not going to happen. Not in a day. And in total, you need to lose 40 trades in a row, which means you lose continuously for 40 times before you are going to blow your accounts or violate it. It's good to take it slow, risking 0.25% of your account. And if your risk reward ratio on all your trades is 1:3, it means that anytime you risk a 0.25, then your reward on that trade is going to be 0.75. 0.75. Let's say most prop firms for stage 1, you are looking at some 10% and some 8%. Let's do the calculation for the 10% and then the 8%. If you are risking 0.25% of your account to make 0.75, it means that if you need to now, so 10 divided by 0.75. If you're able to take 13 good trades and they hit your TP, you pass your challenge. If your target is 10%, right? You have 40 trades to lose, 13 to pass your account. So what it means is, in total, if you take 53 trades, you need 13 of them to hit your take profits, and then you pass your account. This is 13 consecutive. If you take a trade, one trade, you make money. The next trade, you lose money. You will still be up, because anytime you are losing 0.25, and when you are making money, you are making 0.75. But this is when you are winning consecutively. You need 13 consecutive wins, and this is like when you are taking the same risks. But when your balance increases, your lot size is also going to increase according to the position you have. So the number of trades is going to be less. It's not going to technically be 13. It's going to be like 9 or 8, right? This is how to use the position size calculator for that matter. For instance, if our balance now changes from 99,000 to, let's say, $100,400. If this is your new balance, if you now hit calculate, it's saying that your new lot size you should be using is 2.2 instead of 2.11 initially. When you make profits now, the lot size you can use per trade is going to increase, and so will your profits be. All right. So if you like the video, smash the like button, leave a comment, and see you in the next video.